The sun's going down, so I better wrap this up. I just finished spray painting the Ninebot scooter with this camouflage at Walmart. It's like $3.99. Non-reflective, ultra flat colors, any angle spray, also bonds to plastic. So I covered up the bird emblem, sprayed it all flat black. I'm wanting the scooter to like not stick out so much. There's all the parts and pieces. I don't think I'm gonna spray paint the helmet black to be on the safe side. This was all white right here and it said bird, so I got rid of that. Yeah. As soon as I attach it all, then I can see how it turned out. This is the battery inside of it. It's a 10 cell, 36 volt, 5400 milliamp hours, and it's powered. It powers the controller, which these are like 45 bucks if you blow them. That's where you charge it. And these just simply connect to the motor that's inside the tire. I painted the edges, touched up the bolt. I need to put a little more on that bolt. Yeah, it was a rebuild project. I got it from a pawn shop for $60. It didn't work. So now that it's working and it's all nice and flat black, I'm gonna see how it fares. Maybe it'll be seen as a mobility device instead of a recreational scooter. Until next time, peace out.